What is SDG or Sustainable Development Goals? Sustainable Development Goals is a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity for people and the planet.
The first current issues on solid waste is solid waste mismanagement. A global issue that pollutes the environment, with 2.01 billion tons of municipal solid garbage produced yearly, with high-income nations producing 683 million tons or 34%.
Approximately 80% of the plastic in the seas originates on land, majority entering the sea via rivers. According to WWF, roughly 4.8 to 12.7 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year. Malaysia has the largest yearly per capita plastic consumption, ranked second in overall created. So these are the SDG related to our topic, which is SDG 6. And for the SDG 14, prevent and significantly reduce marine pollution for all kinds, in particular from land-based on activities, including marine debris and natural pollution.
The current issue is the frequent water supply in Klang Valley. It is due to the pollution caused by the factory area and duck pump, which is close to the riverbank. As a result, the water treatment plant had to be closed for a while, thus causing residents in the nearby area to lose water supply.
The other current issue is 460 areas in Selangor will affected by unscheduled water disruption. There are several areas that were reported about the water disruption, such as Petaling, Hulu Langat, Sepang, Putrajaya, and Kuala Langat. Water tanker were also dispatched to users to assist them in dealing with the water supply. This is not the first time smell pollution has affected the Jendam Hilir water pump station and occurred the smell pollution and water pollution.
The quality of river water in Malaysia is increasingly threatened by various forms of pollution. Because rivers provide 98% of all water, river pollution is a serious issue, with more and more rivers being contaminated. Ongoing river contamination will decrease water resources even further. It will have a substantial impact on the national. According to data from DOE, Malaysia had 579 rivers in 2008, but only had 477 survived in 2019. One of the badly polluted rivers is Sungai Ngulak. The DOE, JPS and MPK should examine the origin of the situation and make public the legal action that will be taken against anybody discovered to be engaged in pollution in this river.
Itu situasi berlaku di Sungai Ngulang. Situasi tersebut mula disedari penduduk di kawasan tersebut sejak awal.
The first water pollution infrequent encountered issues is radioactive sources. Radioactive sources often included chemical contaminants that are hazardous to aquatic life in the water. Radioactive sources that cause water contamination are derived from radioactive waste that has been released in various water sources such as seas, river and lake. The poisonous source can cause death and other diseases when absorbed by human. It is toxic to the brain, kidneys and other organs. For radioactive waste, which are the reverse osmosis and ion exchange. Using alternate methods generating energy such as renewable energy sources like solar or wind. For a safe water supply, appropriate analysis and monitoring for radioactive contaminants are essential prior to discharge.
The issue is the leakage from underground storage and piping. The particular site where it originates can also have an impact on another location, such as the ocean or kilometer of waterways. Toxic or contaminated substances may have leaked into subsurface storage or pipework. Unknown and untreated water source can hurt and harm the person as well as cause death. The Sustainable Development Goals 6 focus on ensuring clean and stable water supply as well as effective water sanitation for everyone by 2030. The chosen solution are make a leak detection system and use glass fiber reinforced coating application. It is highly sustainable and suitable for long-term use to control water quality, which is related to SDG 6 on ensuring clean and stable water supply.
The other infrequently encountered issue is solid waste, which is sewage and wastewater. The garbage from home waste, farm waste, animal and more might then have the negative impact on the ecosystem. It will damage the water sources such as groundwater, river and sea. If managed properly, it can pollute kilometers upstream and contribute to water pollution. The best solution to cater the solid waste is concept 3R, which is reuse, reduce and recycle. When the material is no longer to be used again, the waste is recycled and to be formed into a new product. So this is the effect for the human health and this is the effect for the environment.